We were sent this deck box and it makes a great seat, but really it's the functionality and what it holds that makes it amazing. So come check this out. This is how you open it. Look how simple that is. So you're not like pulling on it or tugging or anything like that. Super easy to open. When you close it, it does have kind of a slow close till about here, and then it does drop. So just know that, but so easy to open. So I like that you have two compartments. We have our pool stuff started in there, nothing in there yet. So nice size to that. And putting this thing together, my husband was able to do it in probably like a half hour or less, and he said it was pretty simple.
I really like the East Oak products because they really do go together so seamlessly. This is the first one that I've actually had to use a screw on. You can put this whole box together, and it really just, the nice thing about it is a lot of it just clips together through tight fitting parts. That is really nice to be able to install it here. So now I'm to the point where I'm going to put some extra hardware on here to be able to have a pneumatic lid. That's going to be really fun. So I'm going to install some screws and I have my screwdriver here. Just make sure, because this is plastic, that you're going very gently when you're putting the screws in. I have this impact driver on its lowest setting, plus I'm just going to really baby it. It's just going to go a lot faster with me using this, but you do have to make sure that you're not over torquing it. Because it's plastic, you'll rip it to shreds pretty quickly. So, but this has been such a nice thing to be able to put together. I'm excited to be able to get this put to use.